Okay, this is target 12D, geometric probability retake video. So here we have a line segment, and we're given the AB is 3, BC is 10, and CD is 5. So the length of this whole thing is 3 plus 10 plus 5, which is 18. 13 and 5 is 18, yep. So probability of it landing on BD, well, BD is from here to here. And how long is that? It's 15. So it looks like it's going to be 15 out of the total, which is 18. And that can be reduced by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 5, 6. Let's do AC in another color. So I didn't choose a color. Okay, I'll try this blue. So I'm sorry, not on AC. So not from here to here, which only means from here to here. So that would be CD, which is 5 out of 18, and that can not be reduced. That's a little sloppy, that says 5 out of 18. Okay, let me get another color. I'll do this green. On AB or CD. So AB is from here to here, and CD is from here to here. So it looks like the 3 and the 5 are good, so that's 3 plus 5, which is 8 out of 18, and that can be reduced by 2, which would be 4/9. So 4/9. Okay, number 2, we have a game board, and we want to know the probability that a point chosen at random is in the unshaded region. So the unshaded region is the actual game board in this. So the game board, or the unshaded region, is a rectangle, and the formula for the area of a rectangle is base times height. So in this case, that would be 20 times 15, which I believe is 300. But let me just double check. Yep, 300. Now to find the area of the circle, that's pi r squared. So pi and the radius of the circle is 5. So that's 25 pi. And I'm not going to figure out what that is until the very end. That makes my answer more accurate at the end. Okay, so the area of the unshaded region will be the rectangle minus the circle. So that would be 300 minus 25 pi. And again, I'm going to leave that until the very end. So now the probability of selecting a point that's from the unshaded area is the unshaded area divided by the area of the whole game board. And in this case, that's 300 minus 25 pi divided by the whole game board, which is 300. Now I need to plug that into my calculator. Now I have to be careful how I plug it in. So I want to do, on my calculator, I want to open up a parenthesis, and then I'm going to type in 300, and then I'm going to say minus 25, and then the pi button, and then I'm going to hit close parenthesis, and then divide it by, open up a parenthesis again, and type in 300 and close the parenthesis. And I get 0.7382, which is 73.82%. Okay, and in problem number 3, we have a spinner, and with the following probabilities. Let me change colors. like the red a little better. A is 80 degrees, B is 50, C is 20, and D is 90. So I should be able to add those up and subtract from 360 to find out what E is. So let's go ahead and do that. 80 plus 50 plus 20 plus 90. So 80 plus 50 plus 20 plus 90 is 240. And 360 degrees is a whole circle, so I do 360 minus 240. And I get 120. Oh, yeah, no kidding. So 120. Okay, so now the probability of E. So E is 120 out of 360. And I'm pretty sure that that reduces into 1/3. 120 goes into 360, I believe. But I'm just going to double check. 360 divided by 120. Yeah, 1/3. Okay. Okay, so not E is everything but E, and that was 240. We already did it. So 240 out of 360. And let's see, that's divisible by 10, and again by 4. 12 actually. So I can divide by 120 again, and I get 2/3. Uh, 120, sorry. Yeah, 2/3, that's right. And then region A and C. So A is 80 and C is 20, so together they're 80 plus 20 out of the whole game board, which is 360. And that's 100 over 360. And I think that's going to be 5/18. 100 divided by 20 is 5, and 360 divided by 20 is 18. So 5/18 is correct. And then A, oh, whoops, I didn't read this clear enough. This is A and C. Okay, how can the spinner, if I spin it one time, be in here and in here? It's not possible. So all this is wrong. And this should have been 0 out of 360, which is 0. However, A or D is going to be like this. So A is 80, and D is 90, and that's out of 360. So that'd be 170 out of 360, and that'd be 17 over 36. Okay, so A or D. Okay, A and D is 0. Okay? You have to try the following problems. Show them to your geometry teacher, your geometry support teacher, or a math lab teacher. Okay? So here we have a line segment. Here we have a rectangle and a circle. And here we have the circle. Okay? Good luck.